Good morning. Happy Saturday. Reason why we're working Saturday is this job is finally finished. So we are washing down this patio and we're gonna resin it up with not easy joint, what's it called? Joint it. Use it for about 2 years now, so still don't know the name. We're gonna use joint it and gravel all edges and stuff like that. So yeah, finished. But yeah, just a bit of TLC going over it all, fine tuning anything, going around with customers, see if we've got any little snags at all, and then which we talk about daily, so if they don't end up having them. But yeah, resin this, jet wash front, clean. Like nice little street in it, so you got to keep everyone happy for jobs around this area. So yes, it's going to be a warm one. Going to be warm today. It's red hot already. It's 10 o'clock and it's like 24, 25 already. So sweating, boob sweat. I should have said pec sweat. Now we'll go to the gym. But yeah, I'll keep you up to date. Keep watching. See you soon. Yeah? Yeah, that quick. You don't have a brush? So now I've tightened chainsaw. Got to get all these pallets. 1, 2, 3 pallets, 3 flat ones as well, onto that little section there in van. Should be alright. While I'm doing that, Tom's putting this resin in. Let me show you. You noticed how he's working in shade as well. Absolutely cooking round there. So this is finally swept now. Bit of a fine brush on it. So we brush it so it's on an angle, so from this way we'd brush that way and it compacts it. Look on instructions on box, it says brush it in and go over it with pointing trowel. Honest to God, use so much of that. Use so much. God, I'm red hot. Use so much. So like this with Tom now, keep me in frame. He's gonna brush in left to right on angle, going in, pulling back, going in, pulling back, and then goes over it all, lets it settle a bit, goes over it again, and then he uses the fine brush over there, the fine brush, and then it compacts it in again and again and again, and it works. And that'll be, in this heat, that'll be off in a couple of hours. So I'll be able to get a sprinkler on then this afternoon or this evening. But yeah, what are you on your third one? Third tub? Goes nowhere. But I think we've got 5, so we'll see. We'll see. We're nipping back anyway. We need another ton of soil in this plant at the back. But yeah, looks good. Worth a Saturday, innit? Better than just being sat at home cuddling my sausage dog. So, see you soon. Like an absolute amateur, got no petrol. So there's a petrol tub in there, which I thought obviously were it. Empty. So I'm going to cut that by hand while Tom's in there. I want to pass you over to Tom. Watch him get that resin done. Watch him get that resin done. While I'm cutting these by hand. Should be alright. There's only 3 more to go in there. So I'll pass you over to the time lapse. And there we go. 4 weeks of rain, sunshine, beating sunshine. Hardly any cloud, to be fair. Grafting. Follow it back, have a look at it. Started with a big dig out. Let me spin you round. Big dig out. That was the height, and then it went down to there. And this side, this was a touch higher. The middle bit like went down a bit and back up and stuff. And 100 ton we got out. 100 ton. Looked over all invoices last night. Just have a bit of research and see what we've done with money and stuff like that. But God, it feels good. It feels good. When you spend this much time with a customer as well, you often find it, like, we know him anyway, but you often find that you become like part of the journey. Like they've had their baby's 3 or 4 week old now, so they've had a baby during our journey with us, you know. So yeah, so they can mark that that's how long this garden's been done since you were born, sort of thing, you know. But yeah, it just feels nice. It just feels nice in here now. Little ones, especially the little lass, she can now just run around all day, get a swing out. She's got a big swing, she keeps telling me. She's got a big swing. And just play in garden for the rest of summer. So even though today is the first day of summer, so the rest of the year is just going to rain. That's all it's saying. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for following us on this project. So I love it. I love it. Let me spin you around again. So as Indian Storm were supplied from Paving Traders. This timber on the wall was Woodworks Timber, which is in Rodley. Obviously copings there, Indian Stone, but blockwork, that was from MKM. And then, as in the blocks around the patio, MKM, and the turf is from Ron Smith in Wortley, Farnley, not sure what it comes under. Near the Ferrari garage is, little old lady there. She supplied this. But yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Doesn't it look good? Right, we're going on. We are cooked this week. Getting sun creamed out of his mind. Looking a bit, good job is my brother, putting sun cream on each of his backs. But yes, I shall see you on Monday, 8 o'clock sharp.